So to replace the maintenance box on the Epson ET-8550, you're going to need a replacement part. I just got this off Amazon, C9345. It was about £20. To get to the part, you just open the side clips on the printer on both sides and lift that up. And as you look at it here, right at the front, you just lift this flap up and pull this out. And then just be careful when you're picking it up in case the ink leaks anywhere, and you want to pop that into a plastic bag just to avoid any dripping. You then take your new part, unwrap that, push it in place, and be careful not to touch the green chip, as this can damage the function of the maintenance box. Then the side with the nozzle on, you're going to put that down and push it in sideways.